Gold prices were falling on Friday as markets braced for a downgrade by the S&P of France's AAA credit rating. David, gold's coming up around that 200-day moving average here. What level does gold have to hold today?
We want to see it hold above the $1,600 level for several reasons. It doesn't necessarily have to breach the 200-day level for a while, but I do want to see it hold the 1,600 level for psychological reasons.
Do you think it actually will hold?
No, I don't. I think that even with this downgrade and a lot of issues that are probably propelling gold further up, that we're going to see more back and forth. There's still a liquidity squeeze going on throughout part of the Eurozone, which means gold or any asset needs to be sold to raise more euros. So until this thing stabilizes a little further, I think you're going to see pressure on the gold price.
So then what would be some kind of catalyst for gold at some point? Is it some kind of resolution then in the Eurozone, or is it just going to keep trading with the euro?
It won't continue to just trade versus the euro or other currencies, which is always going to be an input. I think what will happen is that it's going to go back and forth, and then, as you said a moment ago, get above the 200-day moving average and continue onward. In other words, we get this slow, steady, barely perceivable upward bias or trend, and all of a sudden, in June, people are looking at $1,700-$1,800 gold.
But you are expecting more of a downturn, though, short term for gold prices. And then is that a sign to stay out?
Yeah. No, I really think you'll see below 15 or 1550 tested at least one more time before the end of the first quarter. I truly believe that.
And then what about silver? Very quickly, what's the tight range you're looking at for silver, that inside range?
I want to see it hold above the 26 level. It's tested twice already. If it does that a third time, I'll be convinced that's the bottom.
And then you'd be buying at the 26 level then?
Absolutely. I've got orders in right now.
All right, thanks, David. I really appreciate it. So there's some more downside in the short term for silver and gold, but that might actually present a good buying opportunity.